Vanakkam. Today I am going to cover a very important area, that is unique document identification number, that is UDIN for practicing chartered accountant from the bank audit angle. Because this is very important, because there are so many doubts that that every CA will have before signing the bank balance sheet. Now our insured has come out with a clear clarification about UDIN. First, let me start with the time limit of UDIN generation. Now, from 1st January 2020 onwards, members will be required to generate UDIN within 15 days only for all certificates, reports, documents signed on or after 1st January 2020. That means every CA, they have to generate UDIN within 15 days from the date of signing the document. This is very important. All certificates and reports document, this is the latest information about signing the bank balance sheet with reference to time limit. Then just I am reading the content from our insured FAQ. While conducting bank audit, whether separate UDINs are required to be generated for LFAR, tax audit and statutory audit, etc. Our insurer says no, since UDIN has generated per assignment, per signatory on the given date, so one UDIN will suffice for the bank audit report, including LFAR and certificates. But a separate UDIN will be required for tax audit report, being separate assignment. That is one UDIN for tax audit and for other UDIN for other certification, everything a member has to generate. The second FAQ is under bank audit, whether separate UDINs have to be generated for certificate signed. Since certificates are the part of bank audit assignment and are issued with bank audit report along with LFAR, one UDIN will suffice and no separate UDIN is required to be generated for certificates. However, while generating UDIN, the details of multiple reports and certificates can be entered by add more button in UDIN. That's below the column add more button. What are the certificates you want to certify? Everything you have to record, because you have to add all the certificates and get a separate UDIN. If there is any omission, then you have to once again apply UDIN for other certification. And FAQ number 3, in case the certificate reports issued by under audit are signed on different dates, whether separate UDIN will be required. Yes, separate UDIN will be required, as UDIN has to be generated per assignment, per signatory on the given date. And the fourth FAQ is, in case if some certificates reports is signed by one partner while others are signed by another partner, whether different UDIN is required for each such partner. If different partners are signing different certificates reports, then separate UDINs have to be taken, as UDIN is to be generated per signatory. And fifth FAQ, whether UDIN is applicable to both statutory central auditors and statutory branch auditors. Yes, UDIN is applicable to both SCAs and SBAs for bank branch audit report and tax audit report while conducting the bank branch audit. FAQ number 6, whether UDIN is mandatory for bank audit report and tax audit report that is filed online using digital signature. Yeah, UDIN will be applicable both for manually as well as digitally signed reports uploaded online. And FAQ 7, whether separate UDIN would be required by joint auditors. Our insured says yes, all the signing auditors have to obtain UDIN separately, and mention their UDINs individually on the reports signed by them. Auditors may use the same or different keywords figures while generating such UDINs. This is the FAQ raised by our ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and the reply given by ICAI. This will be useful to all the chartered accountants who are going to do the audit for the year 2020. Kindly refer our Institute site and refer the exact exact FAQ, and before signing that you confirm it and sign it. This is the information I want to pass to the members. Thanks for watching this video. Nandri Vanakkam.